Hello, I am Oyanabu, and we will start today at logarithms. We will write it down first. Logarithms. And what is logarithm? We will first talk about that. If a positive number, okay, first highlight and remember the terms positive and real number a, okay, other than 1, okay, 1 and a to the power m is equal to x, then we can write m is equal to log base a x. Okay, we will repeat again. If a positive real number is a, that is other than 1, 0 and 1 other than, and a to the power m is equal to x, then we can write m is equal to log base a and x. Few examples. Suppose 10 to the power 3, that is equal to 1000, and we can write log base 10,000 is equal to 3. And another example, if 3 to the power 4 is equal to 81, then we can write log base 3 81 is equal to 4. Okay, another example. Suppose it's not just 2 to the power minus 3 is equal to 1 by 8, and also when it will be log base 2 1 by 8 is equal to minus 3. Now we'll talk about 4 example, that is 0.1 and its square, this is equal to 0.01, and log 0.1 0.01 is equal to 2. Okay, hope my writing is clear. 0.1 whole square is equal to 0.01, and that's equal to log base 0.1, and 0.01 is equal to 2. Now few properties of logarithms. We will talk about properties of logarithms. Suppose one, please write it down if possible, or remember just log base a xy is equal to, we can write it as log base a x plus log base a y. And second property, if log a base a and x by y is equal to, we can write it as log a minus log a y. Got it? Now another example, if it's property, example is not example, it's property. Another property is log x and s is equal to 1. We can say, for example, 3 to the power 1 base 3 to the power 3 is equal to obviously be 3. And 4 property, log a 1 is equal to 0, and you can see it, a to the power 0 is equal to 1. Fifth property, log a and x for p is equal to this p will be multiplied here, p log a plus x. Sixth property, log x. This property was not in school level program course. The 10 plus 2 math, it was not there. I never read that log a base a and x is equal to 1 by log base x a. Okay. 7th, log a is equal to, we can write it as, it's also a important property, log b base x. Okay. This base a is here and x is here, and another b we can choose anything, or we can write it as log x by log a. Now coming to next property, and we are a, I remember this property was in school level program, is equal to x, a to the power log base a x is equal to x, and log a y is equal to y log a x. Just see that this y is here in this and x is here. Okay, and another last one property, and the most important, log a to the power q. I write it clearly, log and very big to understand clearly. Base is a to the power q, and here x to the power p. Hope it is clear. In base a to the power q and outside it x to the power p, that will be equal to p by q log of a x. That's for today theory.